Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to East Coast Bedding. You guys, they make the best pillows in the business. I love these. They are so high quality, absolute luxury, every single detail. You guys are gonna love these. They are made exclusively right here in the USA. Such high quality. If you guys have not updated your pillows in a while, believe me, you need to. It is going to make such a difference in your life, and it is always worth every penny. Anytime you invest in your sleep, you are gonna get that back tenfold because your entire life is gonna be so much better. And I can think of no better way to sleep better than with the East Coast Bedding down pillows. You are gonna sleep like a baby. So if you've never slept on Goose Down before, there's really not an experience anything like it. It's so good for your neck. It's gonna give you just this like weightless, breathable, comfy feeling. These pillows are 100% goose down inside, but the outside is also equally luxurious. It's 100% cotton satin, 400 thread count. Just a beautiful, beautiful pillow. Every single detail thought of. You guys are going to love these, and they make pillows in every size, and they have a lot of packages that are going to be two if you want to get a matching one. They just have a package for everything, standard, queen, king, whatever you need. East Coast Bedding has you covered. Go ahead and put these in your cart. You are gonna be so happy that you did.